Welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an extraordinary ability to make money in the stock market, while others struggle despite having the same information? Could your horoscope reveal your natural strengths as an investor? In today's video, we'll explore 5 powerful planetary combinations in Vedic astrology that can influence wealth creation, trading skills, investment timing, and financial discipline. We'll also discover how the 2nd, 5th, and 11th houses, Dasha periods, and planetary transits can provide valuable insights for market participants. For a much more detailed explanation with practical examples, do visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Now, let's begin our fascinating journey into the world of stock market astrology. Many successful investors believe that timing is just as important as knowledge. While technical analysis and fundamental analysis help us understand market conditions, Vedic astrology adds another fascinating dimension: the timing of opportunities. Your birth chart can reveal your natural financial strengths, risk-taking ability, emotional discipline, and decision-making style. Rather than predicting guaranteed profits, astrology helps identify periods when your judgment is likely to be stronger and when caution may be necessary. Think of astrology as another analytical tool, not a replacement for research, but a guide that complements disciplined investing. By understanding your planetary influences, you can make more informed and confident financial decisions. Let's begin with some of the most influential planetary combinations. The Jupiter-Mercury combination enhances wisdom and analytical thinking. It enables investors to interpret financial information wisely and identify long-term wealth opportunities. The Venus-Mars combination creates the perfect balance between patience and action. Venus helps select quality investments, while Mars gives the courage to act decisively when opportunities arise. The Sun-Saturn combination develops discipline and long-term thinking, making it excellent for investors who prefer blue-chip companies and steady wealth creation. Finally, the Moon-Rahu combination strengthens intuition and innovation, making it favorable for modern investment sectors like technology and cryptocurrencies, provided emotions remain under control. In Vedic astrology, the 2nd house represents accumulated wealth, savings, financial stability, and family assets. A strong Jupiter in this house supports wise financial planning and long-term wealth accumulation. Venus often brings prosperity through luxury goods, hospitality, and lifestyle sectors. Mercury enhances analytical abilities, making investors better at studying market trends and interpreting financial reports. However, if the Moon occupies the 2nd house, emotions can strongly influence financial decisions. Such individuals should avoid making investment decisions during periods of fear or excitement. A powerful 2nd house provides the foundation upon which lasting wealth is built. The 5th house is often called the house of speculation, intelligence, and calculated risk-taking. A strong 5th house lord gives excellent market timing and the confidence to seize profitable opportunities. When Jupiter influences the 5th house, it encourages disciplined speculation and protects investors from impulsive decisions. The Rahu-Ketu axis also plays an important role. Rahu supports innovation and high-growth investments like emerging technologies and cryptocurrencies, while Ketu provides emotional detachment, helping investors avoid panic during market volatility. A balanced 5th house can transform speculation into intelligent investing. If the 2nd house represents your accumulated wealth and the 5th house governs speculation, the 11th house is where those efforts translate into profits, financial gains, and long-term prosperity. A strong 11th house often indicates the ability to generate multiple income streams and benefit from valuable professional networks. Jupiter placed here can attract financial opportunities and unexpected gains, while Mercury strengthens market analysis and communication with investors and mentors. Venus supports profits through luxury, hospitality, entertainment, and lifestyle sectors, whereas Mars gives the confidence to seize opportunities in dynamic markets. Remember, success in investing is rarely a solo journey. The 11th house also represents friendships, mentors, and business networks that can influence your financial growth throughout life. In Vedic astrology, timing is everything, and that's where Mahadashas and Antardashas become extremely valuable. These planetary periods activate specific energies in your horoscope, influencing how you think, act, and make financial decisions. For example, Jupiter Mahadasha often supports long-term wealth creation, making it an excellent period for disciplined investing in fundamentally strong companies. Mercury periods favor active trading, quick analysis, and technology-related investments. Venus Antardasha can bring opportunities in luxury brands, hospitality, fashion, entertainment, and real estate. Meanwhile, Rahu periods may open doors to innovative sectors such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, fintech, and cryptocurrencies. However, Rahu rewards calculated courage, not reckless speculation. Understanding your Dasha periods can help you align your investment decisions with favorable planetary cycles. While Dashas describe long-term planetary influences, transits represent the ever-changing cosmic weather that affects our day-to-day decisions. A favorable Jupiter transit can support portfolio expansion, long-term investing, and financial confidence. Saturn transits, on the other hand, encourage patience, disciplined investing, and careful risk management. These periods often remind us that wealth is built steadily rather than overnight. Mars transits can create opportunities for short-term trading but may also increase impulsiveness, requiring strict discipline. Mercury retrograde deserves special attention. Rather than rushing into new investments, use these periods to review your portfolio, verify financial information, and refine your investment strategy. When you combine favorable dashas with supportive transits, your timing becomes significantly stronger. Let me conclude by sharing an interesting real-life observation from my own experience as an astrologer. One of my close friends has enjoyed remarkable success in the stock market. Naturally, I became curious and studied his horoscope. What stood out immediately was a powerful fifth-house lord, indicating exceptional speculative ability. Jupiter occupied the second house of wealth, strengthening financial wisdom and long-term prosperity. Mercury, placed strongly in the ninth house of fortune, enhanced both intelligence and luck. The Sun's placement supported opportunities for sudden financial gains, while 4 planets occupied their own signs, giving the horoscope exceptional strength. There was only one area requiring caution, a Moon-Ketu conjunction, which could occasionally affect emotional decision-making. This horoscope reminded me of an important truth. Favorable planetary combinations create opportunities, but lasting success still depends on discipline, emotional balance, sound financial knowledge, and responsible investing. As we've seen today, Vedic astrology offers a fascinating perspective on financial decision-making. It doesn't promise guaranteed profits, but it can help us understand our natural strengths, identify favorable periods, and develop greater patience and self-awareness in our investment journey. If you'd like to explore this topic in greater depth, including additional planetary combinations, detailed house analysis, FAQs, and practical insights, I warmly invite you to visit our blog. You'll find the link in the description below. Here on Variety is the Spice of Life. We bring you thought-provoking content on astrology, fitness, food, inspirational thoughts, soulful music, and heart-touching stories, all designed to enrich your mind and life. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to support our growing community. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, may your decisions be guided by wisdom, your efforts rewarded with prosperity, and your journey always reflect the true spirit of variety is the spice of life.